Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Pass question. Question number 37. And the instruction here says that we should look out for the option that is nearest a meaning to the underlined word in this expression. And the underlined word here is mediocre. Mediocre. And the sentence says even a mediocre student can pass the test. Even a mediocre student can pass the test. And option B says dull, option B says fresh, option C say average, option D say lazy. And when we talk of lazy or lazy students, we mean those people who show lackadaisical attitude towards learning. And lazy cannot synonymize the word mediocre. Yes, lazy cannot be the synonym of mediocre. The average, and average cannot be the synonym of mediocre because average cannot go or replace the word mediocre too. Then fresh is synonymous to new, and the word fresh cannot be synonymous to mediocre too. Then mediocre is synonymous to dull. That is just the simple truth. It's the synonym of dull. We can use dull to replace mediocre or mediocre to replace the word dull. So it means that even a dull student can pass the test. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.